Mr. Narendra Modi has saluted the spirit of the countrymen while they are coping with the demonetization of big currency notes. He said that this is a huge cleanliness mission he has embarked upon and the process will not stop till the mission is completed. He asserted that no guilty will be spared.
Addressing the Indian community in Kobe in Japan, Prime Minister was at his eloquent best when he talked about the decision of his government to demonetize Rs 500 and Rs 1000 notes. While many are calling it a surgical strike against black money, Prime Minister called it the biggest Swachhata Abhiyan or the biggest cleanliness mission or the biggest cleanliness mission in India. He was categorical that the wrongdoers will have to pay for their misdeeds, no matter what it entails for him to ensure that.
ये बहुत बड़ा स्वच्छता का अभियान है। ये किसी को परेशान करने के लिए नहीं है, लेकिन मैं इस बात को स्पष्ट मानता हूं, बिना हिसाब का अगर कुछ आया हाथ तो उसका देश आजाद हुआ तब से आज तक का हिसाब चेक करने वाला हूं।
Prime Minister also said that the move was not finalized overnight and great amount of planning went into the biggest step against corruption and black money that India has taken in decades.
ऐसा नहीं कि हमने रातों रात किया है जी। हमने पहले एक स्कीम निकाली कि भाई आप इतना दंड देकर के जितना दे सकते हो दे दीजिए, और पिछले 2 साल में इस प्रकार के अलग अलग जो प्रयास किए, करीब करीब 1.25 लाख करोड़ रुपया वापस आया। 1.25 लाख करोड़ रुपया तो मौका दिया था, ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं दिया था।
Describing in detail his efforts to get rid of black money circulating in the economy, Prime Minister Modi saluted the spirit of Indian people, who he said are unwavering in their support for his move despite some initial difficulties.
मैं देश के लोगों को 100 सलाम करता हूं। कोई 4 घंटे लाइन में खड़ा रहा, कोई 6 घंटे खड़ा रहा, तकलीफ झेली, लेकिन देश के हित में इस निर्णय को वैसे ही स्वीकार और स्वागत किया है जैसे 2011 में जापान के हर नागरिक ने करके दिखाया।
Prime Minister Modi has evidently made it clear that even if there are initial problems for majority of Indians because of a few corrupt people, he is determined to get the country rid of the menace of black money. And it is the support of the countrymen that is the real inspiration for him to carry on. With Arun Sharma, Pankaj Pandey's report, DD News, Kobe.